My skin was dehydrated at a level where even putting oils onto my skin was not helping.
And this was my dry, flaky skin.
I tried everything from oils to hyaluronic acid because when your skin is not perfect, it affects your confidence no matter what others says. At least it affected me so bad that I was intrigued to try every single product anyone was recommending because I want to heal my skin.
And this is my skin now. Look at the glow.
Hi everyone, my name is Manisha and in this video I'm gonna talk about my skincare journey, how I went from extremely dry, dehydrated skin to a dewy, glowy skin. So let's get started. So there are a lot of people who ask me the skincare secret, like how my skin is so dewy and glowy, but this was not the case a year before. I've been through a phase, and if you are in that phase, you know what I'm talking about. When your skin is so dehydrated that you just want to try everything so that at least something works out for you. I have been there and I know the pain because I was trying every single thing possible for me. I was even doing 7-step, 8-step skincare routines. They were only beneficial for 1 to 2 hours, and then later on again my skin start feeling dehydrated. I have like so much dehydration on my forehead and on my chin area. You know that white stickery that I've just showed you in the video clip? I was suffering from that a lot, and now you can see my skin is completely repaired. It's properly glowy. So first thing first, I'm gonna start. The very first tip you can say, you have to be consistent. If your skin is dry, even today, if I skip my moisturizer for 2 days or 3 days, my skin will be back to that again. Not that worst, but it start feeling dehydrated because my skin type is dry. So I have to take care of my skin. So it is really important to be consistent with your skincare routine if you want that beautiful juicy skin. I feel like if you have a beautiful skin, you don't need to wear makeup. Your confidence automatically boosts up. You can go anywhere you want to go without even putting layers onto your face. It's really important, at least for me, to have a beautiful skin. I have been through that journey, and that's why I wanted to share my experience with you, so that if I can help one person, I'll be really happy doing that because I've been there. I know I was searching for everything. I talked in so many of my videos that it's really important to search for the ingredients rather than products. Once you know what ingredient work for you or ingredient you need in your skincare, you can find product that has that kind of ingredients in it. That's what I did when I was at the lowest in my skincare game. I tried everything, and then I decided to dig deep into the skincare and find out what works for me. That's why I have a little more knowledge about ingredients and skincare products and what products work, what doesn't work, which skin type should go for which products. That is the reason, because I put so much efforts into learning all those things, and that is the time when I discovered some things. And remind you, most of the products I tried were Korean. So the number one thing that worked out for me when I was at my extreme level of dryness is the Face Shop. I'm gonna insert a picture of that cream if I found, but it's the Face Shop 7 oil in 1 cream. If you are dry skin and you wanna invest in just one product, then I'm gonna say just invest in that cream. It's gonna moisturize your skin so deep, like the deepest level. You will gonna feel hydrated and moisturized and everything. First time I used that cream, next day my skin after a longest time was not dehydrated, and I was so shocked. And that cream, the texture is so hydrating. You will not gonna need any other product for your dryness, and that give you a beautiful glow at the same time. It worked perfect for me. And you can also use hyaluronic acid. I was using hyaluronic acid also because there were a lot of people saying that it's really good for your skin, but the problem was that I was using it wrong because they don't tell how to use it correctly. They just give a little bit of information. So I'm gonna insert a clip showing you how you can use a hyaluronic acid correctly.
So I've drenched my face in water and I put some on my clothes as well. So you don't need wet skin. Your skin needs to be completely drenched into water, and that is the right way to use a hyaluronic acid. And then I'm gonna take this Korean hyaluronic acid and just massage it. It will gonna take time, but you need to be patient and massage it into your skin. That is the right way of using a hyaluronic acid.
So hyaluronic acid can also help if used correctly. Also this product, this particular serum is like so hydrating after that cream that really, you know, deeply moisturizes your skin. Especially if you have flakiness on your face, this is really gonna work along with that cream. Like, they are really good products. So, and there is one more product that I'm gonna recommend. This is good for dry skin, but not for the extremist dry like I had. But if you have normal dry skin, this is gonna work. So these were the products that really helped healing my skin. Now I'm gonna share what not to do when you have extreme skin type, like extremely dry or extremely oily. For oily people who have like very active acne, and for dry skin who have like very flaky dry skin, do not use any kind of actives on your skin like niacinamide, vitamin C, retinol, nothing. Don't use anything. Just follow a basic routine, because your skin is already irritated. That's why it's causing problem. So when your skin is at extreme level, like extremely dry, extremely oily, it is already irritated. That's why it reaches to that level. Now imagine if you have a blister and you are putting hot oil on that. I know it's not a good example, but nothing is coming up in my mind right now. So I just wanna emphasize on the thing, like if your skin is irritated and you are using actives are supposed to make your skin even more photosensitive. So yeah, you are just irritating your skin to a next level. So don't expect good results in that case. So that's why I recommend people who have like extreme conditions on their face, don't use actives. Stay away from actives. Hydrate yourself enough. Let your skin recover before using actives, any kind of actives or anything. Secondly, don't just pick random products if your skin is already suffering, because I know, I've been there. Like when your skin is dry or like very oily, you just want to heal it. Keep your routine as simple as it can be. Even I share so many skincare reviews on my channel where I tell you which product is good for which skin type. You can check out that videos as well. And yeah, that is all that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your skincare stories in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.